This video gives a quick tutorial on how to install the Look2 registration software. It covers how quick it is to get going on a single PC. You can also set the software up to work with multiple workstations, laptops, and Windows tablets, with all of them simultaneously sharing a common database. The additional steps for that more advanced setup is the subject of a different tutorial. Before you begin, make sure you have both Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access fully activated on your computer. Nonprofits can get amazing deals on Microsoft licenses at TechSoup.org. Be sure to select a license that includes Microsoft Access. Alternatively, you can download a free runtime version of Access directly from Microsoft. But know that it does have limitations, and a full license is preferred. Also, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings to make sure it's set to the required 100% scale and 1920 by 1080 resolution. You should have received an email with a link to download the software. Enter your install code, click the Submit button, and then select the link given. Once the file has been saved to your downloads, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All from the pop-up menu. Save the files to the C:\look2software/registration folder. Before launching the software, go into the Resources folder in the extracted files, and then into the Fonts folder. Right-click on each font file and install for all users. Note, in Windows 11, this option is underneath the Show More Options. Next, launch Microsoft Access and click on Options, Trust Center Settings, Trusted Locations, and then finally Add New Location, so that you can enter the folder where you saved the files, entering just the Look2 software portion of that path. Be sure to click the Subfolders box. When done, exit Access. Then do the same within Microsoft Excel, adding the Look2 software folder to the Trusted Locations. This allows the report macros to run. Be sure to click the Subfolders box. The final installation step is to map the R drive. Right-click the registration folder and choose Properties, then the Sharing tab, and click the Share button. Here we'll pick everyone from the list. Click Add, and give them read-write access. Then click the Share button. Consult with your IT staff to determine the settings that are right for your organization. When done, highlight the shared path and right-click Copy. Then close the window. Right-click on this PC in the File Explorer and choose Map Network Drive. Select R as the drive letter, then paste the shared path that we just copied. Click Finish, and close the R drive window that appears. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to start the program. Go into the C:\look2 software registration folder and double-click the file with GUI in its name. If you get an error message stating that it was compiled for 64-bit access, that just means that you have 32-bit Office installed instead. Well, that's fine. Simply use the file with the x32 after the GUI name. The main software screen is shown. It's shipped with 3 example users. Log in as Amanda Admin, and the password is lowercase password. To configure the system, click the Admin button. Then click the Configuration Settings button to change the system settings. This is detailed in the complete registration user manual. Close out of the admin windows, and you can test the system by clicking the Find Register button and search for Test. Select the starred person, then click Edit this household. Click the Add Today's Visit button, then close the window to see the main screen's chalkboard has been updated with the number of people served today. Click the Exit button to close the software. Be sure to copy the appropriate shortcut to your desktop. You can review the Registration User Manual for more details on software operations, configuration, reporting, and more.